All right, up next we're going to have a couple of our local dancers perform the West Coast Swing routine for you. They're from Denver, Colorado, and we have a ton of West Coast Swing dancers here in the whole Front Range area. We're very blessed to have some wonderful pros in the West Coast Swing as well as country community here. And so Jonathan and Lizzy are going to perform for you now. They're both dancers and swing instructors. So Jonathan Prichard and Lizzy Spann, come on out. They're going to perform. They also compete nationally in the All-Star division on the West Coast Swing circuit tonight. They are going to be dancing a lead and follow. That means this is all just done on the spot, and it's improvisational, and it's going to be amazing. So put your hands together again for Jonathan and Lizzy.
These mistakes I made my fair share when you needed me. I wasn't there. I was young, I was dumb, I was so immature. Things that I did made you so insecure, but baby, I'm still your man, I swear. Please be patient with me.
Colorado. Two amazing dancers. Thank you so much. And that was all lead and follow. It was on the spot, beautifully done.